Hello, today we're making M&M cookies, and this is a perfect way to use up all your leftover Halloween candy. To start, make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and then add a half cup of sugar to a bowl. And then add in a half cup of patch brown sugar because sugar makes everything taste good. Mix that well, and then add in a pinch of salt, and salt always enhances flavor. Add a stick of butter, but make sure it's melted and melt it in 30-second intervals in the microwave. Add your melted butter to your sugar. Give that a quick mix and then switch to your whisk and then whisk that together. Add in your egg and then mix. Sift a half cup of all-purpose flour, and you will need a total of 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, but we are doing this in batches, and in between each batch, fold your flour in. So again, repeat this. We will repeat this 3 times in total and fold it in between. Now add in your desired amount of M&Ms. Use as little as you want or as much as you want. It's all up to you. Refrigerate for 2 hours or overnight, and this will help the cookie dough develop more flavor. If you have an ice cream scooper, you go ahead and use that, but if you don't, just take your hands and roll them into balls. These will spread and then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, so make sure to spread your cookies out before. They're crinkled at the top and they have a perfect chewy texture. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.